calling all video editors. We are running a brand new contest and the prizes we are about to give away are so fire. We're giving away a $1,000 49-inch super ultra wide curved computer monitor, a 1-year free membership to Epidemic Sound, 2 6-month free memberships to Epidemic Sound, $300 Amazon gift card, a $200 Amazon gift card, 3 how to charge your client guides. Sheesh! We are stoked to have partnered with Epidemic Sounds and the legendary director, DP, and editor, Mike Parentu, to create the Commercial Cut Challenge. Mike has worked with some of the biggest brands in the world like Mercedes, Samsung, Ford, and the NBA, just to name a few. For this contest, Mike is providing us with a folder of his raw cinematic footage from one of his past shoots for you to edit with. The challenge is simple. Make the most epic 30-second or less commercial edit from Mike's footage utilizing music from Epidemic Sound. That's it. It's literally that simple. To enter this contest, click the link in our bio. There you will be able to sign up for a 30-day free trial of Epidemic Sound's commercial plan so you can start downloading the tracks you want to use. Don't worry, you can cancel anytime, but to qualify for this contest, you must use Epidemic Sound's copyright-free music. Once you sign up, you will be able to download a zip folder with all the footage and get to work. To submit your video, post to Instagram using the hashtag Commercial Cut Challenge and tag Black with No Cream and Epidemic Sound. The deadline to submit is July 12th at 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern. And the winner will be announced July 15th at the beginning of our Morning Roast podcast episode. All right, that's it. Get to editing. I can't wait to see what you guys create, and good luck. It's gonna be awesome. This idiot left the camera running.